Alright, update still. Let me show you what we got. I don't know what we got. Thank you. This shit looks bomb. No cap. Look at that shit. That is bomb.
Okay.
How you liking your food?
It's great. And you need to calm down.
Alright. And then we're having pina colada. So we ordered bay food. Yeah, I don't know if we're ever gonna finish all the food, but hey, it's Valentine's Day, so it is what it is. I'll go ourselves a pitcher of water. I mean, actually, that water's still way up. Minute, I ain't gonna lie. Feel me?
Wake up, innit?
Yeah.
You see me?
So yeah, always get what you want. So that water looks nice too. Delicious water's right there. Yeah. After that, get some wazzles. You feel me? Alright, anyways.
Whatever, guess we can find her.
It's gonna like just tap it where you want it to find. Okay.
That's a garlic and the chili garlic is coming.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so hey guys. I don't like this. Never mind, I should have not recorded myself. Okay, this kind of works. Alright guys, so we are at our second appetizer. We have a lot of stuff.
That's the third.
Second.
First, second, third.
Nigga, that's the whole meal.
Oh.
I hope you guys heard that. I should have recorded it. Anyways, hey guys, so we are on our second appetizer. And we still have the drinks, barely drank them. But anyways, so we have some naan bread, some tandoori, I think it's tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken, yeah, I forgot. So mine's chili, garlic, and his is just garlic. And then here's him. There you go, cheese for the camera. Still have the drinks, and then we have
It's soup.
soup. Nice. So yeah, guys, we're about to enjoy this, and he's freaking out that this is just an appetizer.
Yes, it's a lot of appetizer. It's like the third one. Second, third.
Technically, yeah.
So, I don't know if we're gonna have room to eat the main course, but alhamdulillah.
We can make some room.
Hi yo, welcome back to another day still, you dig? Last day in BC, you feel me? But in front of me, yo, the view is mad. It's a mad view, feel me? But yo, if you've been following, sticking around, make sure, you know, you subscribe, like, and also make sure you follow your man on Instagram, X_SweetMan, and the SweetMan Show. And also follow her on Instagram. Okay.
Underscore
You.
double XO. There you go. I actually got it.
Oh yes, that's true.
That's
true. She changed their Instagram name. Yes, _XO. Facts. Anyways, but yeah, if you've been sticking around, make sure you follow us on those platforms. You feel me? And this is the last stop. So we're at the Fairmont Hotel. Before we're at the Hilton Hotel for the last 2-3 days, which was proper still. Don't get it twisted. But yo, check the view. Gang. Yo. So you have the like right next to the water. This is proper. And you have the other, I think that's the Taylor right there too. So we're gonna book that one, but we decided to take the film out. Well, I did, you feel me? Man's got the hookup on deck still. Yo, check the view, yo. This is mad. But anyways, so what we're gonna do now, go into the mall, go copy liquor 1, 2, you feel me? And then yeah, then head back tomorrow in the freaking, there's a snowstorm back in Toronto, so with that still on God. Catch you later. Alright, so here's a tour of the Fairmont Hotel. So obviously you have the corridor, which I guess the elevator should be that way. But anyways, so boom, boom. Now when you walk in, you greeted with this beautiful, nice open concept. Let's start with the closet real quick. So you have the closet with the safe. You have an umbrella. Fun fact, in BC, people use umbrella when it's snowing. That's the most dumbest shit I've ever heard. But I guess they're not used to snow. So anyways, you have that. Then this here, you have the mirror. And behind this mirror, you do have the washroom, which I can show you guys at the moment. Then you have, you know, this is expensive. I believe if you use one of those, you're gonna have to pay for it. So, is this red wine? Maybe, maybe not. It is what it is. I think it is though. Red wine. You got water, ice, and then your Keurig. Then in here, this is so nice. You got your wine glasses, coffee, tea, snacks. You touch one of those, yeah, it's expensive still. And then on this side, you got, oh, it's just drawers. And then I believe you have for coffee or for water. And then here you have the mini fridge, the expensive mini fridge, which you use any of those stuff. They're probably gonna cost you like maybe $5 to $8 per can. Then you grill it with this wide open concept. You feel me? You got this nice painting on the wall, like, so I believe this is a king size. Yes, it is a king size. But so I hook this up still. You feel me? This is proper, no cap. Then you grill it with this nice, beautiful living space. So we're just spending one night here, which is it's about $300. You grill it with the flat screen, and then you have your workspace area there. And it's so beautiful. It's sunny right now. It's about, I believe, 3 o'clock right now. So, which that's checking. And you have the harbor. Like, the city is so beautiful. But at night you do have a lot of crackhead. No cap. Then over there you have another hotel, which we consider booking that hotel, but I already booked this one, so I was like, might as well just check it out. I mean, it's close by, so the views are gonna be different, right? But we can see the entire harbor area, and then you have, you know, the rest of Vancouver over there on that other side. So yeah, there you go. Here's your little tour of Vancouver downtown, and that Range Rover looking nice and crispy. But anyways, there you have it. Welcome to Pacific Mall still. BC, everything is open, you feel me? But down in Toronto, we all closed. I think Montreal, they open too, but now, BC, we're gonna see Wagwan, we're in Pacific Mall. And then let's see what we're gonna get. Do you even know what you want?
I don't really need anything. I want
You
the
just
stuff
want
I was
shopping.
talking about.
Okay.
I might get a dress or like a bathing suit.
Oh yeah, that's true. We do have a pool, which was supposed to go to the pool.
Exactly, so I want to go to the pool today.
Yes, we're going to the pool today.
There's a pool.
There is a pool on the 3rd floor.
On this hotel?
Yeah, there's a pool on the 3rd floor.
Oh, okay, then yeah.
Okay, so I guess we're going to the pool today. Anyways, we got way too much trust. They give you a bag to shop with. So literally you can take all the stuff, put it in there, and then skirt.
Really?
Like real hood mans will do this. So I guess BC they moving different still.
Maybe that's what this weird hotel too.
Yeah. It's so easy to like do some hood shit. But anyways, you guys, welcome to Bath and Body Work. If you've never been, we need lotion though. I'm about to smell fruity today. Here's the thing. Vancouver. Focus. Boom. So Vancouver. 90% right now we're at the mall we're trying to eat. 90% of these stores or the food in the food court, it's like 90% Asian food. Yes,
Yeah.
90%. And you got Americans there and there, and a little Indian, you know. But still, look at what I got. Still, noodles, chicken, and freaking shrimps. That's just booming. And then what did she get? Guess what she got? Freaking tacos.
You don't have to be so disrespectful, my nigga.
How could you be so basic and get tacos?
Whatever.
You're literally in Asia right now and you get tacos. You can eat tacos back in Toronto. You decide to get tacos.
Yeah, and what?
Like, look at what she's eating, bro. Like, tacos and fries, basic ass, and Mountain Dew. I mean, it's a drink, so it is what it is.
Bro, you think
I have Fanta still.
an
Fanta's
Americanized Fanta too.
yeah, but I got Japanese food though, so
But we are on the plane on our way back to Toronto. I'm sad that we have to go. It's very sweet. We had a really good time, especially in the last hotel. So yeah, I don't really know what to say. But we're on the plane and just putting everything away and stuff. The headphones, getting them ready. These are boys so we used to clean the seats. And then the flight attendant. I like the haircut, it's really nice. So yeah.
what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of To The Man, you dig? But anyways, yo, Vancouver was pretty, it was epic, I ain't gonna lie. The weather, everything, just trying to adjust my camera and stuff, so anyways. But yeah, Vancouver was pretty epic, the weather was proper, we had an amazing time. So now we're back on the plane, so we're going back home, so our weather. But anyways, yeah, we're going back to Toronto, and the weather that we're going back into is pretty disgusting. So like, they have like a blizzard down in Toronto, so alhamdulillah, you feel me? Which is luck, you feel me? So yeah, so I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit, alright?
Oh yeah, my brother.
Alright, we're back in this bitch still. Man just touched down. Flight was hectic on the deck still. You dig? But anyways, what do you want to eat again? Yeah. No. Wendy's? Fine. Fine. Also, we're gonna go pay airport prices. Say less. What's up, you guys? So pretty much we're back home. You see, I'm currently in my room right now, so like the vacation was pretty nice. I think we stayed there for four days or so, it was pretty epic. So if you're really considering going to Vancouver, I'll definitely recommend you going to Vancouver. The weather there is epic. Summer is the best time to go, so we had to go during winter. Obviously it was Valentine's week, and we've been on the lockdown in Toronto for almost a year, so you know, we had to like get out of the city and, you know, just do something else, you feel me? So just try something new. So yeah, if you guys are considering getting out your comfort zone, you should definitely get out your comfort zone and definitely try something new. Don't let anything hold you back, you feel me? So it was an epic trip. We had a blast time. The food was amazing, and the restaurant, like remember when we went to the mall was at 90% Asian. So I believe Vancouver, it's the population that is Asian, especially Richmond or downtown Vancouver, comparing to Toronto where it's very saturated with different ethnicity. But Vancouver, it's dominated by the Asian community, so it's like a mini Asian country, you can say. It's a completely different city. So my personal opinion, I'll say Vancouver is a mix of Toronto, Ottawa, and Montreal. So it's like all those three cities combined into one. So definitely, if you guys haven't been to Vancouver, definitely you should go to Vancouver and explore. Obviously we couldn't do much because there was some restriction down there as well, so a lot of stuff too was also closed down. But not comparing to Toronto, some stuff were open, like the bar was open. So and you can also dine into the restaurant, which was pretty good, which we don't have that here in Toronto. So that was pretty great to actually dine into a restaurant and go to the bar, have a 1-2 liquid drink, you feel me? But yeah, it was an epic trip. Like I said, if you guys are trying to, you know, step out your comfort zone or go out, like explore your city, or, you know, go out, explore different city, you feel me? If you can, definitely do it. But you know, if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, make sure you follow your man on Instagram, x_sweetyman, and the Sweetie Man Show, all one word. And also follow XO. I'm gonna leave it over here, so make sure you follow all those platforms. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and also put that thumbs up, you feel me? And also push that post notification bell, you feel me? So every time I upload, you're gonna be the first to know, you feel me? But with that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.